Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here we have question number 3, that is from exercise 5.3 given in page number 101. For chapter 5, I am up and down, round and round. So the question is, two parallel chords of length 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter on opposite sides of the center of circle. If the radius of circle is 5 centimeter, find the distance between the midpoint of the chords. So let us draw the figure first, then we will see what is given and what to be proved. So here we have a circle. Let us draw a circle. This circle is having center O. Now as per the question, they are saying that two parallel chords of length 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter are on opposite sides of the center of circle. So one is chord AB and whose length is 6 centimeter. So I'm just writing chord AB length as 6 centimeter and chord CD, that length is given as 8 centimeter, and these two chords AB and CD are parallel to each other. So this is about chord is given in the question. Then they are saying that if the radius of circle is 5 centimeter, so just draw the circle, join OD, join OB. This is the radius of circle. So OD is equal to OB, which is given as 5 centimeter, and it is the radius of circle. Now find the distance between the midpoint of the chord. So if I just say N is the midpoint of CD and M is the midpoint of AB. If these two midpoints are joined passing through center O, we have to find the length of that distance between the midpoints, means we have to find NM. So here we need to solve this question. So these are the things which are given, and I can just write down that N is midpoint of CD and M is midpoint of AB. That is also given in the question. We have to find the distance between these two midpoints, that is M1 we have to find. So first triangle I will take triangle OMB. In triangle OMB, this triangle OMB, what I can OMB, what I find that M is the midpoint of AB. Here OM is perpendicular to AB. So if I just draw this triangle here OMB, as M is the midpoint of AB, so it means that the length MB becomes 3 centimeter now. So I'm writing here 3 centimeter. Radius OB is the radius, which is given as 5 centimeter. So by applying Pythagoras I can find OM length. So OM square plus MB square is equal to OB square. So OM square plus AMB, that is 3 square, that is 9, and 5 square, that is 25. So OM square is equal to 25 minus 9, that is 16. So OM is equal to root over 16, that is 4 centimeter. So the length OM is 4 centimeter. Now we can just go for triangle OND. In triangle OND, if I apply Bodhian theorem or Pythagoras theorem, we can see. So here I have this triangle in this way, O, N and D. OD is the radius which is given as 5 centimeter. ON is perpendicular to CD. N is the midpoint. I can just write N is midpoint of CD, and ON is perpendicular to CD. So we have to apply Bodhian Pythagoras theorem. So ON square plus ND square is equal to OD square. ON square is equal to OD square. What is OD? That is radius of circle. Here it is 5, 5 is 25 minus ND square. ND is a overall CD is 8 centimeter. So if CD is 8 centimeter, then I can find that your ND, as it is N is a midpoint, so ND become 4 centimeter. So 4 square is 16. Finally I will get ON square is equal to 9, and finally ON is equal to root over 9, that is 3. So I have got the length ON 3 centimeter, OM 4 centimeter. If I add these two, OM plus ON, so it is 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, that is 7 centimeter. As we need to find the distance between the midpoint of AB and CD, which are parallel chords to each other, for this circle. So the length is 7 centimeter. This is how we need to solve this question.